Good evening, students. Today the topic is the linear equation in one variable and the applications of linear equation. More applications of linear equation. Previously, the total 8 type of problems or applications we have discussed in the previous classes. Here, today the next application, that is more advanced application of linear equation by using the both side variable containing equation. Okay, so this is a number problem, that is digit based. Okay, this type of problem can be solved by using linear equation and having the variables on both sides. Okay, so this is the problem. The digits of a two digit number differ by 4. If the digits are interchanged, the resulting number is added to the original number to give 88. Find the original number. We have to find the number. What is that 2-digit number? Okay. Okay. How can we solve? We have what we have? We have the 2-digit number. What is the form of a 2-digit number? Let A be a 2-digit number. Okay. 2-digit number have two places. One is 10th place and another is unit place. In the right hand side the unit place and the left hand side is the 10th place. Unit place is always multiplied with 1, that is B. Okay, here for A, B, the unit place is B and the unit place is unit means 1. Unit place is always multiplied with 1 to give the unit place. And the 10th place, it is named by his name, that is 10 is multiplied with A, that is the 10th place. But the form is AB, but if we write the place value, then that is 10A. If we write the place value of B, that is B. If I write the place value of A, then that is 10A. It is called the place value. This is 10th place, so the value is 10A. Or 10 is multiplied with A. In unit place, that is B is multiplied with 1, that is simply B. So the 2-digit number is in the form 10A plus B. Okay, simply 10A plus B. This is the 2-digit number which we have to find, that is we have to find the AB. What is the 2-digit number? But according to the question, the digits of a 2-digit number, that is AB, 10A plus B the number, differ by 4. So A is equal to how much? Differ by 4 means B plus 4, that is B plus 4, because it is differ by 4, that is B plus 4. Okay, A is equal to B plus 4. And if the digits are interchanged means in place of A I can write B and in place of B I can write A, that is 10B plus A. That is the interchange, 10B plus A, and the number is BA. Here the number is AB. 10th place is A and the unit place is B. But here the 10th place is B, the unit place is A. Okay. If the digits are interchanged, the number becomes BA. So it is in the form of 10B plus A. Okay. But we have A equal to B plus 4. So this is in the form 10B plus, in place of A I can write B plus 4 because we have A equal to B plus 4, that is differ by 4. According to the question, the digits of a 2-digit number differ by 4. So in place of A I can write B plus 4 also. Similarly in this way. Okay. So we have the 2-digit number, that is one is 10A plus B, that is equal to 10 is multiplied with b plus 4 plus b, that is 11b plus 40. Then again, if the digits are interchanged, then 10b plus a, that is 10b plus, what is the value of a? b plus 4. So b plus 4, that is 11b plus 4. But it is given that in the question the resulting number is added to the original number to give 88. This is the original number 11b plus 40, and this is the resultant number after the interchanging the digits. So if we add these two, we get 88. So according to the question, we can write 11b plus 40 plus 11b plus 4 is equal to 88 according to the question. Okay, so that implies 11b and 11b, that is 22b, plus 40 and 4, that is 44, is equal to 88. Okay, so 22b according to the variables having one side, that is 22b plus 44 plus or minus 44, because I have to remove the 44 from left hand side, that is 88 plus or minus 44. Okay, so that is 22b is equal to 44. To remove 22 from b, that is 22 can be divided by 22b, that is 44 upon 2, that is b is equal to 2. Okay, b equal to 2. Okay, so where the linear equation is used? Where the linear equation is used? Here, see, 22b plus 44 is equal to 88. This is the linear equation having one variable b, and this is in the only one side. Okay, that is b equal to 2. So if b equal to 2, then what is the value of a? That is b plus 4. So a is equal to b plus 4, that is 2 plus 4, that is 6. So what was the number? That is ab. The number is ab. So in place of a, I can write, that is a equal to 6 and b equal to 2. So in place of a, that is, I can write it 6, and in place of b, I can write 2. And what is the reverse? What is the when the digits are interchanged? What was the number? That is a ba, that is 26. When I add these two, I can get 88. I can get 88. So according to the question, we can check how is it true or not. Okay, so in this way, the digits based number problem are solved by using the linear equations. Okay, the another application is age problem. Okay, we have previously already discussed about the age problem, but it is the equation having variable on both sides. This type of equation are arised. Okay, consider an example. Let Alok is thrice as old as Vidya. Okay, Alok is thrice as old as Vidya. 2 years ago, his age was 4 times that of Vidya. find their original edges or the present edges. Okay, the present edges. The present edges. Okay. This is differ from the previously studied edge problem. Okay, this type of problem is very different. That is, this term is not given in the previous problem 2 years ago, 5 years later. Okay, so this is the new type of problem regarding the edge problem. Okay, so what is the question? We have to understand the question first. Two person here, that is one is Alok and another is Vidya. Okay, so Alok is thrice as old as Vidya. Okay, so if the age of Vidya is x, let the Vidya age is x, then the Alok age is 3x, because thrice means 3 times as old as Vidya. Okay, but 2 years ago means if your age is 5 now, then 2 years ago what is your age? That is 5 minus 2, that is 3, simply. So in this way I can write the age of Alok is 3x minus 2 and the age of Vidya is x minus 2, 2 years before. That is 2 years before, that is the present. That is the present, that is the 2 years before or 2 years ago. Okay, so 2 years before, that is 3x minus 2, and 2 years before Vidya age is x minus 2. It is given. But 2 years ago, what is the question is given? 2 years ago, his age means Alok age. Alok age was 4 times that of Vidya. What is 2 years ago? What is the age of Vidya? X minus 2. And what is the age of Alok? That is 3x minus 2. Okay. But it is given that the 2 years ago his age means Alok age is 4 times that of Vidya. Okay. So that is 3x minus 2 is equal to 4x minus 8. Okay. So it is in the form of, what is the form? It is in the form of equations having variable on both sides. Here the 3x is a variable, one variable, but on the both sides. Okay. So what is the process of solution? That is, we have to interchange the side. That is variable to the one side and numbers into the another side. So 3x minus 4x. 3x minus 4x is equal to minus 8. That is minus 2. When it change the side, that is becomes 2 plus 2. Okay. So 3x minus 4x is minus x. That is minus 6. So that is minus x. That is minus. Minus minus can be cancelled to give x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. So what is the x means? The x means the present age of Vidya. The present age of Vidya. So how can we find the present age of Alok? That is 3x. That is 3x. That is 3 is multiplied with 6. That is 18. That is 18. So the present age of Alok is 18 and the present age of Vidya is 6. Because Alok is thrice as old than Vidya. Alok is more old than Vidya. So Alok age is 18 where the Vidya's age is 6. Okay. Find their present ages. So in this way you can find the present ages of both the person. Okay. So in this way we can solve the age problem. Okay. In next class, we will study about the reducing form of linear equation. Okay, in the next class, we will study the linear equation in one variable, and the article is the reducing form of linear equation. That is, linear equation is in one form. Let the form is A. It can be reduced to the simply linear. Okay. Okay. Thank you.